Hello everybody, this is Isaiah again. Today I have another unboxing video. Been doing quite a bit of these recently, but hey, that's okay. This one is pretty special. It's from a friend that I know. I'm not going to say his name, but anyways, we did a horn trade. And so basically I'm going to show you what I got here. I actually haven't had one of these horns in quite a long time, so it's pretty exciting to have another one in my small little collection. But it was one of the very first horns that I had on my old Dodge that I missed so much. Good truck, that's for sure. So we'll just open this up and see what we got. We got some really good packing, and the guy who did this trade for me, thank you very much. You know who you are. Definitely, I feel was kind of an unfair trade because this horn that I got is worth a lot more than what he got. So, but just a super nice guy. I really appreciate it. This is going to be a fun horn to have. So you see that it said Nathan on the box. That in fact is completely 100% wrong. So that makes it really interesting, doesn't it? You can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. So, does that give you any indication as to what this could be? Matt Farnsworth. I know you're going to like this video. I think you already know what this is, but he happens to be a big fan of Leslie air horns. That is, my friends, a number 31 bell. Two-piece 31 bell. In fact, I have never had a two-piece Leslie bell. And it's got the 2-block Leslie Supertyfon logo. Very nice. Let's just keep going with the bells. How about that? Next one is I'm just going to call it double block. I don't know if that's what you guys call it, but Leslie Supertyfon, not Typhoon, Typhon, number 44 bell. Nice restored condition. I mean, just a beautiful paint job. Whoa, I almost said the guy's name that traded. Okay, so now the Big Daddy, number 25. Let's see that. It's a huge bell. Thing's massive. And the guy that traded me this horn was kind enough to put a brand new set of dowels in it, in each bell. That was really cool. So this manifold is pretty exciting to see. You guys will see why in a second. Alright. See that? 57. 1957. S3L. Beautiful tag. Can you see that? Yeah. Variable orifice. That's an oldie right there. That's older than I am. Anyways, very nice manifold. And, uh-oh, there's no power chambers. Oh, just kidding. I gotta make it a little interesting, even though my jokes are really stupid. Can't just sit here saying, here's the bell, here's the manifold, and here are the aluminum tab back power chambers, which he was a very smart man in numbering them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at that thing. Remachined. I mean, it's just completely restored. That's the way a Leslie should be. Leslie's can be real finicky, as you've seen in my other videos. To be honest, you know how I like original horns, but with Leslie's, it's kind of a different story sometimes, because I just don't have the patience to work on them when they're real finicky. Here's the other one. These things are pretty light, actually. Number 44 bell. Very nice paint job. This paint is seems like it's really, really heavy. So hopefully it'll avoid chipping or anything like that, you know. Or I might take the paint off. I don't know. So this is the number 25 power chamber. Just, you know, exactly like the other ones. I mean, just perfect condition. Nice hardware. All the gaskets. All the bolts. So, there you go. I'm not too familiar with these S heads. I don't see any donut gaskets. I don't know if I'm pretty sure that these horns take those. I'll have to look into that, because if they do, I'm gonna need a set because I don't see any. So anyways, 1957 Leslie Supertyfon S3L R, according to the tag. So you guys feel free to throw your comments out there. And of course, you know me, I'll be doing a recording of this thing. And I know it's going to sound incredible. To the guy who made this happen, thank you so much. You've been a good friend. I appreciate it. It's gone to a good home. And you guys all take care out there.